podcast together. She may have left us, but she is connected with us. Her laughter, smile, and memories. Small acts big impacts, together we rise. Small acts big impacts, together we rise. I never such an idiot. How many times am I supposed to tell you this? I am a one-man army. Lighting, stage, setup, action, I do it all. You just focus on the finances. Idiot! Can't you understand a simple brief? This entire drama is my vision, and I can't let them ruin it. That's why every scene, act, and character is all me. Hey buddy, looks like you could use a hand. Me? Need help? No thank you. I got this under control. Looks like you could use a little bit of help with the stage setup. It looks a bit, chaotic. No. It's called artistic chaos. It's called method, Plus the wire seems to be causing a little bit of problem with the lighting. May I look into it? Fine, but just don't touch anything. It's not half as bad as they think. Oh, quite impressive. I guess I underestimated you lot. I never knew my team could work such wonders. See, buddy, teamwork makes the dream work. Oh, fine. I admit it. I can't do everything alone. But I'm still the visionary here, remember? Of course, you're the director. But we are your team. All right, everyone. Let's finish this. One for all for one, stronger together. One for all for one, stronger together. Alex, I know this loss hurts, but we're a team. Correction, coach. A team that lost. Hey man, come on, it's just one game, we'll bounce right back. Easier said than done, Sam. I was the best player here. If we played better, we would have won. Alex, stop stressing. Basketball is a team sport. It's not about scoring points. It's about working together. I don't need togetherness or a team or something. I need the ball. Alex, we're a team. We need you to pass the ball to us sometimes. I'm the greatest player. I deserve the ball. Me! Alex, you are a great player, and I've seen many talented players like you, but you can't succeed without a team. I guess you're right, coach. That's my friend. Exactly. Now let's focus on how we improve the team. United we stand, divided we fall. United we stand, divided we fall. Hi, I'm Earth, the cradle of life. I have nurtured countless beings for years. My mountains, rivers, oceans are a symphony of existence. Earth, you have become too old. We have come so far. We have built tall structures and we have fly through the skies. We have mastered our lives now. Yeah, your achievements are undeniable, humanity. Yet in your pursuit of progress, a discord has arisen. The harmony of nature is disrupted. We need resources. We build lives. We are the lifeblood of your earth. We provide air to breathe, water to drink, and food to eat. Yet our homes are shrinking, our waters polluted, our air choked. Well, I didn't mean to harm you like this. It's not about the intent, it's about the impact. Your actions have consequences. Togetherness is the key. Harmony and nature intertwined as one. Togetherness? How
alive. We can do this together.
A